Okay, so we're going to do the superior veins. Here is the heart. This large blue vessel that is going into the right atrium is the superior vena cava. Inferior to the heart is the inferior vena cava, both going into the right atrium. Going into the superior vena cava is the internal mammary vein, which actually goes anterior out to the chest wall. Then what we're going to see is a branch from the right arm and head, and a branch from the left arm, right arm and left arm, brachiocephalic vein. The brachiocephalic vein is going to have 3 branches. We're going to see the subclavian vein, which is then going to become axillary vein, which becomes brachial vein. Then we're going to see the external jugular vein and a very small branch which may or may not have dye, which will be the internal jugular vein. If we follow the external jugular, which becomes fairly superficial, we're going to see it come up and we're going to see it branch to the transverse jugular vein coming straight across. We're going to have the anterior facial vein and the posterior facial vein. The last branch that we're going to see here is the azygous branch, and this azygous is bringing all of the blood up from the thoracic cavity and also the intercostal veins from the ribs.